All right. Well, let's talk about cash or trash. We have a few people coming on right now, and got looks like there's 5 people on, so we're going to take 3. But if there are any audio video issue problems, then we'll just bring on the next person. So we got Bruce coming on. Bruce, how you doing?
Pretty good. You?
Good. Thanks for coming on. We
Hey,
got
Bruce,
Big
how
T
are you?
coming on. How you doing, Big T? Oh, looks like Big T's not there. So Will, see, that's why I say stay on. Will, how you doing?
Hey, Chris, how you doing?
Good.
Hey, Will, what's
And
up?
then we got
What up,
and then we got
Sergio?
Stabin. How you doing?
Good. Yes.
Pretty good. All right. So you guys are the 3. If there's any audio issues, unfortunately, we may have to disqualify you. We got one more person. It looks like that's on that we can keep, but we got you guys on. So welcome. We're doing cash or trash. Pretty self-explanatory. We're going to show you 3 different rides that are going to come on for the 10 seconds, and the Lyft one is going to be 15 seconds based because that is how long each of the apps allow for. Let us know cash or trash and the reasons why, and then we're going to have our audience poll and see who's the winner. Any questions?
No question
all right.
at all.
All right, so get ready. We got the first one coming on right now. All right, so Bruce, cash or trash on that one?
Trash.
Okay, and then why?
2.5 hours for $46.
Okay.
$23 an hour. No.
All right.
Trash.
Will, what about you?
Trash. I agree with Bruce. The numbers
Okay.
don't add up. Plus, I don't know if I'm going to get a ride back. So you're deadheading.
Okay. Sounds good. And then Sabin, how about yourself?
100% trash. That's an insult to my time and to my car's expense.
Okay, so everybody is in agreement with trash. I'm pretty sure Sergio would say trash as well too. So, all right. Now the next one, Serge, we got Trip Radar. What are we doing with this one? Are we just doing the top one? Are we doing the bottom one? Are we doing both? What? Okay, top one. Okay, so we got a Trip Radar coming up. We're looking at the top one. So make sure you are looking at that one for this particular one. And then again, 10 seconds, even though Trip Radar is a little different, but we'll pretend it's an actual one. All right, Bruce, cash or trash?
Cash.
Ash. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I have to ask why, but I'm going to say why.
$24 surge. 3-mile trip. It fits my
Okay.
motive. No surge, no drive.
Well, that's a good one to have. So, all right, Will, what about yourself? What do you say?
That's a cash. It's more than 50 cents a minute on the drive, and it's less than 4 miles.
All right, cash. And then Sabin, what do you say?
I'm gonna say trash. Cash. Wow. So this is the trip you guys looking for on New Year's Eve, by the way. This is exactly the trip. That's why I put that up there. This is exactly what you guys are looking for on New Year's Eve. So there you go.
Oh yeah. And look, it's the right time. 12:25 is when it comes through. So it might be a early glimpse of what could be happening next week. So, all right, and then we got one more. This is on Lyft, so it'll be on for 15 seconds. But we'll want to know, is it cash or trash? So here you go. All right, cash or trash, Bruce?
Trash.
All right, why is that?
Rating. 4.3 rating is the biggest thing.
Gotcha. Okay, and then Will?
It depends. It depends if you're going to San Bernardino and then getting a ride back, from San Bernardino to Los Angeles. And that's $50 an hour. $56 an hour. You might have to get a trip back.
Mm-hmm.
You might have to eat up the 4.3 rating, but that's probably $100 in 2 hours.
All right. And then Sabin, what do you got? Cash or trash?
Trash, especially if that would be my first car I started driving Uber.
All right. Then
So,
Serge,
Which was a V10.
So can I ask you guys a couple of questions? First of all, what city you drive in and how long you've been driving, Bruce?
Syracuse, New
Well,
York for 6 years, 15,000 trips.
Wow. Yeah. So do you know Levi? He's one of our contributors now. The guy with the Santa beard. He drives in Syracuse.
I don't know.
So are you a college driver like Syracuse University, short
No,
trips?
I prefer to stay at the airport at this point.
Okay. How about you, Will?
You know me, Sergio. I'm from the Cleveland
Yeah.
area.
Yeah.
Live black.
Yeah. So those were not black trips, right? So
Yeah, I understand, but for just regular trips on Lyft or Uber, those are pretty decent on the vehicle type you're driving.
yeah, I think so. I think if you're driving a hybrid or some sort, some Prius, 6-7-year-old Prius, I think those are all cash. How about you, Sabin? Well, I know you've been on before, but for our audience that doesn't know you.
Yeah, I'm in New York City, TLC. I used to do some New York suburbs in the summer for Hamptons because the pay was high enough, higher than probably most of the markets. But that was just
Yeah.
temporary summertime. For the most part, New York City.
Yeah. And he had his problems with the TLC and the Uber shenanigans going on up there, Sabin, right? And it still continues.
Well, yeah,
I'm assuming.
Uber deactivated me with 2 accounts. They deactivated my 2 accounts after like 6 years, 4,000 something rights on one account, 1,000 something on the other one, 498 rating, claiming that multiple people are driving on my account, which was like impossible, and it was very easy to see. First of all, I have a full-time job. I was driving 6 hours a night, 3 nights a week, and maybe 1 or 2 days a week. So,
Okay.
and it was constantly same schedule, but there's nobody to help. The hub was still open at the time, but still they had no power. They didn't even want to give me my tax my 1099, right? Not
Okay.
99. Because I got the W-2 my employee. The 1099
We'll continue. We'll continue this, but you have my email address. Obviously, you emailed this to me a couple times, and there are certain things I can do and certain things I cannot do.
Yeah,
And reactivation is not something I can do.
Definitely, we can keep in touch. I've been busy, but I do have one question for you, because I see you do this behind the wheel, which I wasn't familiar. Lately, I picked up on that, so I would like to just have the chance and share my experiences throughout the years and what I've learned, good and bad, about the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I can share
Just
that.
shoot me an
And
email. Shoot me an email, Sergio@RideShareGuy.com,
sure,
and then
with the intent.
we'll have a chat, and then we'll set it up if we need to
Yeah,
set
the
it up.
intent would be to help everybody with what I've learned.
Okay. All right. So who's the winner, buddy?
All right. Let's end the poll right now. And let's see. Hold on. All right. Will is our winner. Congratulations, Will.
That's number 5 for this year, right?
What?
We're not keeping count. Email me, Sergio@RideShareGuy.com, and then you will get paid $25. This is all luck, obviously. Thank you guys for coming on. I'm not feeling well, but hey, hopefully I'll feel good enough. Are you guys driving New Year's Eve?
More than likely.
Probably not.
No? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I mean, Will, you should do well New Year's Eve with your black. You know, you may even drop down and do some extras, bro. I don't know.
I will drop down. I have the whole schedule slated from Thursday all the way to Monday morning.
So you have your planned, ready to go, right? See what I mean, people? Right here is the professional. Patience, position, and planning. He has a plan. He's going to try to execute it. If the algo lets him do it, and I'm pretty sure he will. But that's how it goes. You know, success is all up to planning. All right, guys. Thank you so much for coming on, and we'll see you. All right.
You guys have
All
a great
right.
year.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.